That was the Clergy's Lamentation, and we're going to follow that with 2 slip jigs. The first one is called Humours of Whiskey, and the second one is Elizabeth Kelly's Delight, which was learnt by a past student, also a visitor to the traditional music course here in Drumshanbo there last couple of months ago, and she taught it to us by ear, and we picked it up fairly handy, so we hope that you enjoy it.
That's Corey Matthews from Clare, everybody. Banjo.